At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, January 13, 2023, Meta Materials adds battery expert to Science Board. A new board member doesn't cancel out all the reasons to bet against this meme stock. Meta Materials has appointed a new member to its scientific advisory board. Professor Jeff Dahn is a respected name in the field of lithium battery development. But this shouldn't distract investors from all the problems facing the controversial company. Meta Materials, Nasdaq MMAT, has just announced a new appointment to its scientific advisory board. Yesterday, the functional materials company released a statement confirming that Professor Jeff Dahn has joined its board as of June 15, 2023. A noted researcher and pioneer in the field of lithium-ion battery development, Dahn is a member of the science faculty at Canada's Dalhousie University. He currently holds the title of Professor Emeritus in the Research University's Department of Physics and Atmospheric Science. From 2016 to 2021, he held the position of NSERC, Tesla Canada Industrial Research Chair at the university. Meta Materials stock is reacting well to news of Dahn's appointment, but investors shouldn't be fooled. A quick bump doesn't make an unstable company a good buy. Let's take a closer look at why investors should still approach Meta Materials with extreme caution, even in the face of strategic movies like this. What's happening with Meta Materials stock? Despite some early trading volatility, Meta Materials stock remains in the green, though not by much. As of this writing, it is up less than 1% for the day, and its current trajectory indicates that it is likely to fall again. Additionally, Meta Materials began the day by plunging more than 5%. The past week has been highly volatile, with shares failing to garner any real momentum and declining 8%. None of this is surprising. The addition of a new board member doesn't typically boost a stock's price for too long. Although Dahn is clearly a distinguished academic and respected researcher, Meta Materials has still given investors plenty of cause for concern. Ever since the company's spin out of its preferred Meta Materials preferred shares into Next Bridge Hydrocarbons, Meta Materials stock has been declining. Meanwhile, concerns over the unstable penny stock delisting from the Nasdaq have created even more uncertainty. Investor Place analyst Louis Navellier recently predicted worse days ahead for the company. In his words, Meta Materials mega-scale share issuance, along with the words going concern, should dissuade cautious traders from buying Meta Materials stock. It's fine to keep Meta Materials on your radar, as the company's financials might improve at some point. Until that happens, though, there's no convincing reason to commit your investable capital to Meta Materials. This isn't to say that Meta Materials adding Dahn to its board is a bad move. On the contrary, his expertise could certainly prove beneficial as the company works to turn out a stock-boosting product. But this recent news shouldn't distract investors from the bigger picture. Meta Materials is still an unstable meme stock that hasn't demonstrated any actual growth potential in months. Almost every headline has been negative, resulting in Meta Materials stock falling. In April 2023, the company announced an underwritten public offering, which sent shares down even more on fears of dilution among investors. Through it all, the ongoing court battle against the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority is only casting more uncertainty. A quick board appointment doesn't change any of that. Until the company provides an actual positive catalyst, Meta Materials stock is still one to avoid. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.